compress orchid, compress. Okay, hindi ko na straight. May Ate Jill, ang ating game mechanic. Alright, kids? Ang game natin for today is what we call shoot that ball or Japanese word from Violet. Alright, kids, sit down lang tayo, kids, and all eyes on Ate Rose. Okay, kids, ha? Wala mag-shoot kasi doon tayo sa ball fit multiplay, alright? So, sit down lang po and listen to Ate Rose. Okay, we have a ball here. Kids, all you have to do is to shoot. Shoot yung ball dito.
Palakpakan mo daw siya.
Ball, only white ball. Okay, white only. Sa blue ball, yung sa ball, sa blue ball pin, kulay blue. Alright, okay? Sa white, sa pink, white ball. Sa blue ball, blue ball. Okay, we have 3 rounds, okay? And sino maka 2 points, siya ang ating winner. Okay, Ate Jill? Anong ating safety reminder? Okay, na jumping first ha. Wala kong mag-jump sa ating ball pit area. Second,
Yung kulay, shoot niya.
no pushing and then no throwing of ball. Okay, wala kong mag-throw ng ball. Everyone. And then third,
Okay.
yes, don't touch the ball. Only shoot lang po ha. Shoot lang po. And have fun and enjoy the game. So kids, are you ready? Okay, stand up. And I need 2 teams. Okay, 2 teams. Blue and white team. So, ilagay mo na in front mo na yung Ate Rose. Ito na kayo sana lang. Ano na ang face mo. So, pinaka-position na ang ating mga kids. Yun na. Okay, shortcut na lang sa akin ni Ate Jean. So, come on kids. Ready na ang ating mga kids sa ating pag-shoot. So, Ate Jean and Ate Michelle, asa po ang blue team? Go po kay Ate Michelle ang white team. White team? White team, iba white team. So, kay Ate Jean, sa? Dito ka kuya sa white. Sa white ka. White. Okay, dito po. Move. Yan. Move. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Okay yung team white, Ate Jean. Gusto na lang baby, team white ka na lang. Team white ka na lang. Team white ka na lang. Ayan. Para 2, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7. 5 lang sila. Kulang pa isang team. Okay, para balance. Okay. Ready, okay ha? Team L, okay ka? Only white girl ang isuot. Team L, ating blue. Okay.
Bakit tatakbo siya doon?
Blue and white.
Dali, takbo siya doon.